At Ealing House Cleaning, we understand that pets are simply beloved family members, and your cleaner is actually happy to work in a home with friendly pets while delivering exceptional residential home cleaning services in Ealing.
Our dedicated team is experienced in creating a harmonious environment by accommodating specific pet-related instructions from pet owners during their residential deep cleaning sessions. We also assure clients that communication is key, enabling us to effectively inform your cleaner about securing doors or other necessary precautions regarding your pets in your Ealing home.
Many pets provide comfort and companionship, and our cleaners can respectfully work around them to maintain your home's cleanliness while ensuring a stress-free cleaning experience.
If you're looking for efficient residential cleaning services around Ealing, London, with full consideration for your furry companions, don't hesitate to reach out. Contact Ealing House Cleaning today to schedule your tailored cleaning service.